Hey guys, out here doing segment 2 of the Colorado Trail today. Trail is actually in really good shape, what we thought it might be. Got our ice spikes on. We've had a couple of areas of packed snow and ice and the switchbacks coming up top here, but we're about clear of all that now. Should open up into the burn scar area. I'm expecting dry conditions over there. We'll give it a shot. Get in some good miles today. Hope you're having fun. Come on along. Wow. Ooh, there is lots of snow here. It's going away from the burn scar area.
Wow.
That's a nice campsite
This
there.
is pretty.
Real nice campsite.
Wow, this is really nice.
I could definitely camp here. A little exposed, but well, in the burn area, everything's exposed, so most of the snow is all but melted. We climbed up this little hill, got in the trees. Oh boy, snow. It's pretty. Oh, bunch of ice underneath the snow. Sure is nice though. Pikes Peak off in the distance. Definitely nice and peaceful out here. There's wind overhead, down in these trees. keeps it at bay, but it also keeps all the snow on the ground. Boy, it's been one heck of a workout walking through this. It's pretty soft. It's almost like walking in deep sand. Definitely getting a good workout today. We're looking for a place to pull off, grab some lunch. There's campsites all through this area, so we're bound to run across one eventually. Nothing like being stylish on the trail. What do you think, Mia? Are you stylish?
My power bar, whatever bar it is.
Oh yeah. Outdoor warrior.
Okay, I'm coming, sweetie. I'll put you into pack.
The woes of winter. Blow down. I wonder if this happened with that last storm. Oh boy. That's a fresh snap. What were they doing? Congregating? There's quite a few of them.
Well, that would actually. You feel warm, baby girl? You look warmer.
And probably down in that drainage there. Yeah, see them going up the other side. Just a little windy. Oh boy. It's like a full pack workout on the beach, only it's snow. This stuff is soft. Oh boy. And we found this old Jeep road on the map. Saw it was a little higher than the trail itself, up on a ridge. Figured maybe there wouldn't be any snow up here. Road would be a little clearer than the trail we were on. True. Windier. Hopefully you can hear this okay. Definitely much better views up here as well. So we were hiking in the trees the whole time with the snow. This is way better. It's called plant your feet every time you step. First full day of spring has been nothing but March madness. We got mud, snow, ice, combinations of all of those. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's very soft. But that's spring hiking. It's probably a good 10-15 degrees warmer down here. More umbrella, more, almost.